you speaking Indian?
I am Indian.
No way.
I am Indian.
Where you? What part?
Mumbai.
Really?
But
That's
my
really
mom from
cool.
hotel. My dad from Pakistan. But my mom are Indian.
Oh,
But
okay. Nice.
you're Indian?
No,
Or you're what, Canadian?
no, I'm Moroccan.
Moroccan.
Guys,
All right.
send a rose so we can get doubles, please. 2 roses. We need 2 roses. What'd you
مرحبا.
say?
مرحبا. كيف
Are
حالك?
you? I feel
No,
like you're lying.
I thought you speak it. You speak Arabic.
Yeah, but بحكي عربي.
عارف هاي تتكلم عربي. But my dad speak Hindi.
انت بتتكلم عربي؟
نعم.
Wow.
And
Sister?
my dad for Mumbai and dad gave for Pakistan. But
Wallah, you're lying.
line.
Yeah.
No, I should have come in Somalia for pick up my dad here. But my dad moved here from Somalia. Come back here for
I thought he was Pakistani.
huh? No, I was saying my dad moved to Pakistan, but he's still living there.
Boy!
Where you from?
I am from India. I'm Indian.
Okay.
What do I speak? Do you speak Indian language? Indian?
No, I
Good.
only speak English.
Only English. Is it nice to live in America?
No, it's all right. It's okay. It's okay.
In India, we got. Have you ever tried Indian food?
Hell yeah, I love Indian food.
Very good. I will cook Indian. If you come to India, I will cook Indian food. My mom likes to make Indian food for my friend.
You don't really talk like that. You an actor or some shit. There's no. Let me say something real quick. Yeah, yeah. That's a good Indian accent. You did that, OG.
No,
Shit.
good from Mumbai. I just wanted. My dad is from
There's Indians
Pakistan.
that look just like you, but that wasn't the point. I was like, nah, this was.
Ireland. Yeah, I'm just kidding. I'm from Ireland. I'm from Scotland.
Okay, it's
Scotland.
crazy. I was just listening to some for my first time some Irish and Scottish rapping. I never heard it before until yesterday, and it was actually dope. It was good.
I think you know Pakistan.
You don't think I'm Pakistan? My
I
dad, my
think you
dad
know
from
Pakistan.
my dad from Mumbai,
Oh,
India. My dad from Mumbai. My dad from Mumbai and my mom from Pakistan. But my mom got bad OCD
oh,
problem, so she used to like the park. That's why I end up going to Pakistan.
oh, very good.
Well, this water from Pakistan.
This one Singapore mineral water.
Oh, that's the Singapore one. In Pakistan, we got the mineral in water.